and and I was reliving the experiences the previous night, which I had. So when I closed my eyes, I saw my father being stabbed. Second experience what I had was when my father died. You all may be knowing that you are told that after the cremation you're not to see the body being cremated. The jalti body hoti hai, you're not to see. Actually, the reason is that what the people say that प्रेत आत्मा आती है और आप में घुस जाती है. So that is not the real reason which I found on that day. When somebody asked me, Nirav, तेरी चप्पल पहन जा. So I bowed down and saw the body of my father burning, and from that day, that night, I had recollections of my father being cremated and his feet burning, and that remained with me for many of the days, and which I was not able to forget. I had reliving. I am still अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ. I am speaking. I am reliving that experience. So this is acute stress disorder. Now, acute stress disorder, if it is not treated, or if it prolongs, and if you don't give enough attention to the treatment of ASD, then it gets converted into PTSD. Now, madam has elaborately told about ASD, PTSD. The symptoms of ASD and PTSD are all the same. Only the criteria of time duration is different. So I will start with my presentation. Slideshow from the beginning. So when we start about, is it visible, my screen from the beginning?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I had to change some. I will clarify that I had to change some topics after listening to ma'am's topic, because many of the things were matching. So at the last moment, I had changed some slides, and you might be seeing activity here. So I was suffering from acute stress disorder now, because what to speak. Actually, it was a difficult topic. It is a difficult topic after you see that there are many common things being said. So there are some changes in the slide I have made. Now, coping with COVID stress. So you might never have heard about uh, this is a very COVID stress, COVID psychosis, COVID depression. All these things are the new words which have emerged after March. Now, you might not have seen me, so I have put my photograph so that people may see me and relate with me. See, this is my phone number. Anybody of you can, if you are having stress, I give this phone number to everybody. Okay, suppose if you are in stress and if you are having any kind of stress related issues, I also have stress related issues. So you can call me and you can talk with me. This is the national helpline number for any kind of stress related issues. Courtesy, मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि now what is the intention of presentation? See, कभी भी अभी जो see, sometimes what we feel that what the speaker is speaking is trying to harass me. इतना ज्यादा बोलते हैं लोग कि sometimes we feel that he is trying to harass me. So it is a sort of humor. This is a disclaimer which I have put. I always put this disclaimer. My intention of this presentation is not to harass anyone, but to share little knowledge which I have, and also to gain it from all intelligent people sitting on the opposite side. So thumbs up to all of you who are attending the meeting. Now, what is the today's scenario? Today's scenario is this. Okay, this isolation has destroyed my life. See, I have seen days in the initial March after the lockdown when I was riding my vehicle and I went to the hospital to see the patients. There was not a single person except the police people who were doing their duty. And I have seen the curfew like situation, and that you cannot imagine in a city like Surat, Mumbai, that there is nobody, there is no one in the vicinity of you. You are the only person. And आपको पूछते हैं किसी, we had a prepared IMA, Indian Medical Association had prepared a sticker that he is a person he is a doctor, so allow him to go. But at the same time, people were so ruthless and not उनको कोई शर्म नहीं थी. They also prepared such leaflets, and people started roaming in the city. So we were asked to show our I card also. दो sticker था doctor का, फिर भी we have to show the I card. So this isolation has destroyed my life. So this is the scenario, today's scenario. Now I will go into somewhat deep of PTSD. How does it occur on the neurobiological basis, or acute stress disorder? What are the changes, basic changes in the brain which occur? See, we cannot see these changes on any kind of scanning or any kind of blood investigations. See, what is here is postulated and is known since centuries. Okay, so this is known as dopamine serotonin pathways which are in the brain. See, now you can see there are two divisions of I have made two divisions, main dopamine pathways and serotonin pathways. Now generally the blue are the dopamine pathways. The function is reward. First function of dopamine, yani dopamine, if it increases in the brain, you have reward, or you are motivated to do something, you have pleasure, आपको बहुत आनंद मिलता है, you become happy when dopamine increases. So I tell to the people that whenever you are happy, think that your dopamine is increasing. Now you have you need energy to work. So that energy, if you have visited a psychiatric institute like ours, you might have seen people जैसे फुद्दी जैसा आदमी हो, जैसा like a kite, लेकिन he is not, we are not able to tackle the single person who is even 30 kgs, and we have to catch hold of that person who is in a hyperdopaminergic state when under the effect of, suppose, any kind of illness, acute stress disorder or post traumatic stress disorder, or even any kind of psychotic disorder where this dopamine increases. So dopamine jab bhi badhta hai, whenever there is a high of dopamine, you have high of reward, you have high of pleasure, you have, that is known as euphoria. Euphoria, you means more and phoria means mood. Then motor functioning. See, whenever you might have seen that whenever a person is in stress, he just falls down. So dopamine state, hyperdopaminergic state, is involved in motor function also. So your increased psychomotor agitation, what I talk is psychomotor agitation, that psychic problems, thought process, why it increases because of the increased dopaminergic state. So these are the positive features of the psychological stress, that what I am thinking now is a normal thinking. Suppose the dopaminergic state increases, then you have positive features like delusions, hallucinations, and sometimes um, homicidal or suicidal behavior. So delusions, I will like to describe you that sometimes we feel, Alka ma'am, that sometimes we go in a marriage and we find that people are watching us. That is a normal thing. That so sometimes what happens that our suspiciousness increases. So whenever we are uh, under the effect of hyperdopaminergic state, the motor function is a problem. Then compulsive behaviors, that what ma'am told, intrusive nonsense thoughts or intrusive thoughts about the events, they are compulsive, they become compulsive. And perseveration, we need to we pursue our work, and that is mediated by dopamine pathways. Going to serotonin pathways, mood, सपोज जब भी हमारा पीटीएसडी होता है तो there are two kinds of this is known as a synapse. This is the presynaptic neuron and this is the postsynaptic neuron. There is a space in between that is known as a synapse, and in the synapse it is postulated that whenever there is less of serotonin, uh, then you suffer from dysphoria. Dys means bad and phoria means mood. You become sad. At the same time, there are memory disturbances, memory processing disturbances. See, we become forgetful when we are under stress because it affects TPL, thinking, perception, and learning. Whenever we are going for an exam, we are under stress, our serotonin decreases. So that leads to thinking problems, perceiving the problems, and learning the problems. We are in a hyper arousal state. So whenever there is a serotonin deficiency, we cannot sleep. And last is cognition. Cognition means whatever we get or whatever we achieve from the society, that is the learning, we store in the brain and we vent out when we need to vent it out, or typically in the exams. So whenever you are under stress, you cannot, you have cognitive problems. Now, I would like to tell you about the brain reward pathway. See, this is a very uh, simplistic ventral tegmental area and prefrontal cortex. This orange, the things you are seeing, they are the brain reward pathways, and they are mediated by dopamine. So whenever you are under stress, there the typical postulation is that your serotonin decreases, dopamine increases, and the मैडम ने जो fight or flight response का बोला, that is mediated by the release of adrenaline from the suprarenal glands, which is just above the kidneys. So whenever you are anxious and the fight and flight response is activated, there is a uh, rush of adrenaline, because adrenaline increases the heart function and increases the this blood flow to the muscles, which is needed to fight or flight. So adrenaline बहुत बढ़ जाता है, and people are prone to get metabolic disorders because of increased continuous increase of or spurts of adrenaline again and again. Suppose if I am under stress now, I will have increased adrenaline. Tomorrow I am under stress, there is again increased adrenaline. So the thing is that whenever the person has ASD or PTSD, why his hypertension, why the patient develops hypertension or diabetes? Now, for energy purpose, we need high glucose. So glucose body में से release होता है at every time you get stress, and this hyperglycemic state is indirectly known as diabetes. So we brain reward pathway, मैडम ने जो बोला कि भाई there is a fight or flight response. So this is known as a brain reward pathway. Now generally this is a positive brain reward pathway, but सपोज आपको अगर प्रशंसा मिले, इफ यू आर अप्रिशिएटेड, दिस रिवॉर्ड पाथवे is activated and you feel happy. But sometimes what happens, that if you are having a state of negative input from somebody, this brain pathway is negatively activated and you feel negatively charged. So your reward pathway is negatively charged and you get a negative reward, that is known as a negative reinforcement. And actually negative reinforcement जो है, that is a type of conditioning which you need to perform whenever you are under stress. So all these things, see, जब भी आपको ASD होगा या PTSD होगा, तो this cycle is going to again go and go again, repeating and repeating. So you will be negatively reinforced again and again to avoid such things. Okay, so now uh, I will try to tell you, okay, what is a negative reinforcement. Is a term described by B.F. Skinner in his theory of operant conditioning. In negative reinforcement, the response or behavior is strengthened by stopping, removing, or avoiding negative outcome or aversive stimulus. Now, दिस इज नोन एज नेगेटिव इन्वेस्टमेंट, कि कभी भी आप कुछ बुरा देखते हो, यू ट्राई टू अवॉइड दैट सिचुएशन. बट अगर आपको वही चीज हर रोज देखना मिले, तो दैट नेगेटिव reinforcement योर माइंड accepts it as truly happening daily. So you get the symptoms of ASD because you take the negative reinforcement happening daily in your life because of your intrusive nonsense thoughts which you are getting, and you feel that it is happening again and again. So generally, what we see, suppose we are being attacked by somebody, so what happens, we have a physical defense mechanism. Similarly, when our brain is attacked or mind is attacked, so mind is nothing but it is a mind disorders are nothing but bona fide brain disorders. So we need to understand some defense mechanisms which we develop, faulty defense mechanism, which are known as immature defense mechanisms. And these immature defense mechanisms uh, develop after you are exposed to some kind of negative stimulus. So you need to adapt, madam. What did she tell? You need to adapt to the situation. Now for that purpose, we need to have some positive defense mechanisms which are known as mature defense mechanisms, like altruism. Altruism, see, suppose abhi abhi we altruism is, it is known as altruism as altruistic activity. से आपने देखा होगा कि दीपिका पादुकोण, अभी today I will name her, no doubt there is a crisis going on in her life nowadays, but Deepika Padukone had started Triple L Foundation, Live Love Love Foundation, which works for the depressive patients. It is a helpline number. Now why she has done this thing, this is known as social help, and that is known as altruism. So people try to be socially active, people try to help people, other people who are in need, just to have a positive defense mechanism. So your mind becomes happy, and you become rewarded, and your negative reinforcement turns into a positive classical conditioning. At the same time, madam told about anticipating things. We have to anticipate that. See, so, one thing is realistic expectation. See, madam told that corona abhi jane wala nahi hai. So what should we think about is a mature social defense mechanism known as anticipation. We should anticipate that suppose we are going in a hospital, we are not going to see happy faces always, we are going to see sad faces. And yesterday I had a call from my hospital that one patient whose saturation is 92, 94, she is shouting and she is telling that she is being kidnapped. uh, because what happens in a COVID room, that or a COVID ward, that every person is in a PPE kit, and you feel that you are in the presence, or you are in a spaceship. People look, patients cannot identify that they are nurses or they are doctors. They have to write the name over people, the doctors or attending people, write the name over that. But sometimes what happens, that patients become delirious means they don't understand the reality. They get derealization, they get वो virtual life में चले जाते हैं, and they feel that they are being harassed. So that female yesterday was under severe psychotic stress, and she was telling everybody, or she was talking to her daughter who is in USA. वीडियो कॉल पे बात कर रही थी that these people have kidnapped me. She was not under the sense, she had forgotten that she had corona, and she was delusional. She had become delusional. She was seeing faces again and again which are trying to kill her. So that is known as COVID psychosis. COVID depression किसी को भी हो सकता है. अगर यही परिस्थिति, suppose if I am unemployed or if I am in a state of depression, COVID stress मुझे रहा है, तो there are chances that I may become depressed. But COVID psychosis is due to increase in dopaminergic state which develops after a chronic stressful situation. So whenever you are in a therapy with a psychotherapist or a psychiatrist, uh, you need to work on the defense mechanisms. You need to develop healthy defense mechanisms. Now, this is a very basic neurotransmitter मैंने अभी बताया कि dopamine, norepinephrine and serotonin. I will not go into the detail. This is a focus, stable mood. But whenever this is deranged, you don't become focused. Your focus goes away and you become anxious. आपका mood stable नहीं रहता. So appetite, intuition, all are problematic. Now, what is the anxiety mechanism? Uh, See, this is norepinephrine, serotonin. I have talked about you. See, gamma aminobutyric acid is a inhibitor in neurotransmitter. At the same time, glutamate is a stimulatory neurotransmitter. So whenever there is a glutamate, आपने देखा होगा कि ketamine is one kind of medicine, anesthetic agent, which increases the glutamate and decreases GABA. So this is glutamate जब भी बढ़ता है, that inhibits the brain cycles and that leads to depressive features. Panic neurotransmitters, norepinephrine, serotonin. I will not. Now, what are the symptoms of anxiety-induced stress? This is a very common. I didn't see. Mind is racing. Possible sleep disturbances. Feeling breathless. Breathing fast or shallow. Nausea. Lack of appetite. Restless. Jelly-like legs. पैर ध्रुजते हैं ऐसे. Dizzy, disoriented, light-headed. Vision strange, blurry. डिफिकल्टी इन सॉलोइंग. कभी हम स्ट्रेस में आते हैं ना तो हमारा गला सूख जाता है. वी हैव टू ड्रिंक वाटर अगेन अगेन. वी कैन नॉट इवन सॉलो अवर फूड. थूक भी निकलना नहीं होता. देन ट्रेमलिंग, स्वेटिंग और शिवरिंग एंड वांटिंग टू रन. दीज आर ऑल signs of fight or flight mechanism. Now what madam told, this ESD जब एक महीने से कम, if you have symptoms which are less than 1 month, then it is known as acute stress disorder. But now most of the people who are suffering are in a PTSD stage because the duration has increased by 1 month. I will not go into the details, just physical symptoms I will tell. Palpitations, difficulty breathing, chest pain, headache, stomach pain, diarrhea. See, this is a very common disorder. People have started developing irritable bowel syndrome. They have developed the intestines which are like a fair skin. जिसकी fair skin होती है वो लाल गाल होता है. तो जैसे intestines whenever they are exposed to stress, they start overacting or less reacting. So if the intestines start reacting more, you develop diarrhea, and if the intestines become less motile, then you develop constipation. Then many people have started developing nausea. That is a typical somatization which the people have developed starting. Sweating, urinary frequency, hesitancy and urgency. These are the physical symptoms. There are many more symptoms, but these are the, now what are the psychological symptoms? Psychological symptoms I will tell you is arousal. What madam has told, I will not go into the detail. Sleep disturbances, fearful dreams, irritable mood, anger outbursts, fearful recollections of the event happening, feeling numb, detached. Okay, and now this I will emphasize. These are the cognitive symptoms. Now, whenever we talk about cognition, there is one thing known as derealization, second is depersonalization, and third is dissociative amnesia. See, derealization is which occurs when your environment seems strange to you or unreal to you. I will give an example that suppose we all have given exams. Now suppose if this is my place of daily lectures and on the same bench I have an exam, the reality will change. That bench will not be the same for me, for my lectures and for exam. So whenever I am under the exam stress, the reality will change and I will feel that this is not the place of my exam where I mocked with my friends, chatted with my friends, and sometimes made fun of the teacher. Uh, Sometimes you depersonalize. एग्जाम में हम जाते हैं, सपोज मैं हर जगह आई गिव द सेम एग्जांपल दैट ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम योर पर्सनालिटी चेंजेस, यू बिकम हाइपर अराउज. सो कोई भी अगर पूछने आएगा तो यू विल शाउट, हट इधर से निकल तू. So generally you don't do that thing. So that is known as depersonalization. Your personality changes, which occurs when your thought or emotions don't seem real or don't seem like they belong to you. And dissociative amnesia, I will like to explain what is dissociative amnesia. See, we all drive something, either a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. Now, you might have noticed that whenever you start a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, the first time you release the clutch and you press the accelerator, you remember. Do you count the number of times you release the clutch, you press the brake and press the accelerator? You just forget while you are driving. So that is known as dissociation from the reality. Suppose if you start counting the number of times you break the clutch or brakes and the accelerators, you will not be able to drive. So that is the natural defense mechanism of the brain, that when you are concentrating on something else, you become dissociative amnestic, which occurs when you cannot remember one or more aspects of the traumatic event. So I have just driving is sometimes a traumatic event for many, because people, as such, it is told that you 40% of the accidents occur because people are over thoughtful, and out of the remaining 60, 30% of the accidents occur because of any kind of substance abuse. So most of the accidents occur. Now what madam told was the treatment of PTSD or ASD. um, Again I will put a disclaimer that I don't uh, mindfulness, I will explain to you mindfulness by two examples. First is Alia Bhatt. What Alia Bhatt is doing is she is eating a chocolate. See, we might have eaten chocolates every day, but we never put it the way she is eating. We never eat like this. We don't enjoy eating chocolates. We just put in the mouth, chew, and swallow. But you might have seen Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolates ads. We should put the chocolate, the melted chocolate on the tongue and enjoy the taste. That is in the simplest form mindfulness. So you should see that Love You Zindagi, that is the best song for now, in the stressful situation, that you should love your zindagi, you should love your life. But whenever the patient is having depression, this quote goes away. And एक patient ने I showed the same diagram. She told me that patient told me the chocolate is not, I am not able to concentrate on the taste of the chocolate. So I gave in a very random manner, I don't like chili. मैंने बोला तो एक काम कर, you do one thing, take a small chili and whenever you are under stress, you chew that chili. So she literally meant that, and she put it on the tongue and she chewed the chili. Turant she called me that all my thoughts have gone. That is a radical treatment, that is known as radical acceptance, radical treatment. कि इतना स्पाइसी लगा उसको कि उसके सब थॉट्स चले गए. डोंट इंटेंड टू डू लाइक दिस. See, I tell everybody don't do like this, but this is a contrasting thing, that the parrots, they like chilies, but I have written I don't like chili because we as parrots, we are suffering from PTSD. We don't need to eat chilies. Sometimes देखो अभी मैडम ने बताया कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट डाइट ज्यादा लेंगे, ज्यादा ओवर ईट करेंगे. Why do we do this? Because we try to change. पानी पूरी, घर पे बनी पानी पूरी, सब गोलगप्पे खाते हैं. तो whenever under stress we need to eat more because तीखा तीखा खाते हैं, तो we change our mind. So that is the basis of cognitive behavior therapy. Cognitive behavior therapy works on the principle of changing your action to change your emotion to change your thoughts. So when you eat a spicy pani puri, what happens? आपका ध्यान इमोशन पे जाता है कि you are feeling hot in the mouth, and ultimately आपका थॉट क्या होता है? ये पानी पूरी तो बहुत तीखी है, थोड़ा भाई मीठा बनाओ. So at for that moment your thought changes, and this cycle should repeat again and again. You should change your action to change your emotion, and ultimately mindfully. So हम जो भी we as students used to be told by our class teacher when we were monitored to mind the class. What is the meaning of to mind the class? कि कोई भी बच्चा अगर धमाल कर रहा है, if anybody is doing something, you have to mindfully see that boy or girl. बराबर? So you have to mindfully see what you are doing just to divert your thought for that moment. And if this cycle, you master this cycle to change the action, to change the emotion, and ultimately to change the thoughts, then you learn mindfulness. So hope this diagram you imprint in your mind. Don't remember Alia Bhatt, but remember what is in her hand, chocolate. Barabar? So, and remember this chili. Suppose if you are under stress, tikha khaiye. Okay, now mindful movement. Mindful movement, what madam told, dance therapy, pet therapy. तो पेट भगाता है, पेट भागता है, इधर से वहां भागता है, तो you also run around again and again. So that is a mindful movement. So any kind of mindful movement, see, this is an example. Dancing, listening to music. हम कभी एसपी बाला, रेस्ट इन पीस एसपीबी, एसपी बाला सुब्रमण्यम, his words or his way of singing, excellent. Sometimes I hear the songs like this only, but sometimes if we concentrate on his voice, we feel inner peace. Or anybody's voice, कोई चिल्लाता है, घरवाली चिल्लाती है, तो if the wife shouts or if the husband shouts, I will not tell that if the wife shouts, because majority of the participants may be females, they be against me. So if the husband shouts, wife mindfully देख लेती है कि अभी ये कुछ बिगड़ने वाला है, and she tackles. लेकिन suppose if she also shouts, शेरनी दहाड़ती है, तो शेर बेचारा दुबक के बैठ जाता है. So that is all mindful movement, shouting. See, have you seen Jodha Akbar movie? So in that there is a Sufi song in which the people are moving round and round like these hands, round circular movements. So this movement, मैंने एक patient, I had a patient who was not able to uh, get devoid of his thoughts. So I told him that just put your hands up and गोल गोल घूमो. तो उसने क्या किया? He started spinning around, and just to have a balance so that he doesn't fall down, he tried to concentrate on his movement, and he was devoid of his thoughts. Keep this in mind, that suppose if you have bad thoughts, either eat a chocolate, eat a chili, or rotate on the पंखे को देख के पंखे पे मत लटक जाना. लेकिन ऐसे ही आप you start moving. देखो, if you are, why females like garbas? That is a question. Because they move round and round, and that is a sign that they try to divert their mind, because most of the Indian females are learned helpless. That is still the thing. that they move around and around, and if you're dancing, you cannot recollect the thoughts. You just have to balance yourself. So any kind of movement, see, I will just here एक आदमी बैठा हुआ है लेकिन उसकी आंख बंद है. I will just try to tell you that suppose if you are under stress, तो आपकी जब भी see there are three parts of the human brain according to Sigmund Freud. Many people don't agree with Sigmund Freud, but he has given three parts: id, ego and superego. id जो है, that is a id is a part of unconscious part from where you get the all instinctual drives. What are the basic instincts? Food, water, sleep, basic instincts. So you get these instinctual drives from the id. Then you have a superego. पार्थ सर, आपको मैं पूछता हूं, has anybody told you not to smoke? No. Parents they told me. Yes. So superego is formed by whatever knows the parents have told us, or what we have internalized from the parents. So if our superego is very harsh, we will not be able to do anything, because we just reflect what our parents have told you. Dekho, I tell people, I tell parents when I am taking parenting class, that you tell children more what to do than what not to do. Generally लड़की को नहीं देखना है, अरे उसके हार्मोन बढ़ रहे हैं, वो लड़की को देखता है तो उसके बेचारे को वो he will feel bad. ये लड़की लड़के को देखती है, if the girl is seeing a boy when the hormones are a tsunami. See, adolescence में मैं I generally label it as a hormonal tsunami. 10th के बाद, 10th के पहले कोई लड़की नहीं दिखती. 10th के पहले you don't see a girl, या girl doesn't see a boy. But जैसे ही, as soon as the 11th standard starts, you have a hormonal surge, because the hormones at the same time starts increasing, and you have a hormonal surge. So the love affairs starts in 11th and 12th. And I told that in our beach mein there was a semester system. So people 4 सेमिस्टर पहले, अभी now what is the, ऐसे मरने के बाद क्या बोलते हैं कि 11वीं और 12वीं हुई, बराबर है, 13मुं 14मुं થાય, 13वां दिन. तो 4 जब भी 4 सेमिस्टर हुए थे ना, तो वी हैड रिटन, साइकियाट्रिस्ट हैड रिटन दैट आप बच्चे का 13वीं 14वीं सब करवा रहे हो. 11th का फर्स्ट सेमिस्टर मींस 11वीं, सेकंड सेमिस्टर 12वीं, 12मुं बोलिए गुजराती में, थर्ड 12th. सो जस्ट टू लिमिट, अच्छा है कि अभी सेमिस्टर सिस्टम फिर निकल गए, तो 13वीं 14वीं नहीं हो रही है. सो व्हाई आई हैव emphasized like this, that sometimes people tell that you meditation. Now meditation is what? You have to close the eyes. I have majority of the patients who go to the religious gatherings and they close their eyes and they internalize. They see their more problems, उनके problems उनको ज्यादा दिखते हैं. And sometimes what happens, if you don't have the mastery of doing meditation, you get internalized more, and you आपके loopholes आपको ज्यादा दिखते हैं, and you start thinking more. So I will tell people not to do mental meditation, but I will tell them to do physical meditation in the form of yogasanas. So that will relieve the adrenaline, and आप internalize मत करो, never. PTSD है, ASD है आपको, you never close the eyes and try to meditate. If you close the eyes, you will have memories. So just to, you have to see the reality, you have to see mindfully, आहा क्या जा रहा है. या तो कोई दुकान में जाओ, या चॉकलेट्स देखो, डेयरी मिल्क है. I see this, so this just to highlight this thing, that some people, when they are told to meditate, they worse, their clinical condition decreases. Now these are, what are the ways to manage stress, how to stay calm about. Madam has not told this thing. So check your sources. This is a very common slide. Now sometimes अभी SSR का चालू था, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का, तो रिपब्लिक टीवी देखोगे ना आप, इफ यू विल सी द रिपब्लिक टीवी यू विल गो मैड. एक यहाँ से चिल्लाता है, एक यहाँ से चिल्लाता है. तो जैसे in the initial period when you this corona thing started, there were many sources from which you got the information, and what information you got maybe डिफरेंस यहाँ से इतना डिफरेंस होगा. आज शाम को यही बोलते, पहले पूछते थे कि आज कितने मरे, 250, कोई बोलता था 250, कोई बोलता नहीं नहीं 252. अरे 2 आदमी ज्यादा मर गए, कम मर गए. So check your sources. Second is limit your research. I have one patient who is a BPharm student. He was told that he was given scoline injection. You might be knowing what is choline, succinylcholine. Physiotherapy people should know what is a scoline. Scoline or succinylcholine is a paralytic agent. So he was given ECTs, electroconvulsive therapy, and after that therapy, he was given pentothal sodium for anesthetizing him, and then he was given scoline. So he just remembered scoline. So he started researching on the scoline thing, and he found out that scoline is a paralytic agent. So you never do this thing. कोरोना के बारे में वही पढ़ना छोड़ दो, जो सब जानते हैं वही आप भी जानते हो, मैं भी जानता हूं. देन डीकैटास्ट्रोफाइज कि अभी आपने सोचा, देखो अब मैं अभी इतना शांति से बैठा हूं. आई हैव लॉस्ट माय सिस्टर, आई हैव लॉस्ट माय 2 aunts in COVID, just in the span of these 2-3 months. So at that moment I was very मेरे घर के सामने से उनको ले गए in an ambulance, and she came, दामा लेके घर पे आई. Actually it should not have been done, and ultimately the other panelists, she might be knowing वनिता विश्राम, अरे सॉरी, वनिता विश्राम में नीला देसाई करके प्रिंसिपल थी. she died of some grave illness. So हमारे सामने उनको ले गए. फिर इतना fearful environment था. She came at 8 o'clock, again the ambulance came, and at 12:30 the ambulance came again and took her. There was no one, there was single, उनका डेड बॉडी अंदर था. फिर एकता ट्रस्ट वाले आए, उन्होंने बताया कि भाई ये इतने बजे उनका क्रिमेशन होगा. सो दिस इज द अनसर्टेनिटी कि किसी को पता नहीं है कि मरने के बाद आपको कब जलाएंगे. So this is a very disastrous situation, which I would like to tell one incidents also. Komal might be knowing that I am very good at telling incidences. That there is a doctor whose relative died, and there was a suspected COVID patient. So that patient died before the COVID report came, and the people took them to the crematorium. अग्नि स्मशान गृह में ले गए. तो उनको पता लगा डॉक्टर को कि he is not a COVID patient. So उसने रिपोर्ट निकलवाया, and they rushed to the स्मशान गृह crematorium कि भाई ये तो कोविड पेशेंट नहीं है. ओके, वी नीड टू डू द राइट्स. तो ओके, तो जैसे ही उनका चेन खोला, देयर वाज अनदर पर्सन इनसाइड. द रिलेटिव था ही नहीं. सो दिस इज द सिचुएशन. So you might feel that suppose if I am a COVID patient, I may not be cremated under my name. कोई दूसरे नाम से भी मेरे को जला देंगे, क्योंकि this is the uncertainty nowadays. Who is एकता ट्रस्ट है, they are doing excellent work, बराबर, by cremating the people. But these things happen, and this brings uncertainty in your life. Okay, मैंने अपनी लड़की को, I have told my daughter that I wish to die not on the roads. और रोड पे अगर मर जाएंगे ना, तो आपका फाइल क्या बनेगा सिविल में? एक अजाने इसम, अननोन पर्सन. सो हु विल bury you? Nobody knows. So be mindful, Another technique is be mindful, breathe, rest and recharge. You cannot rest when you are aroused. So sometimes you need to take medications. I will just in brief tell you about the medications for PTSD. See what we have talked previously, that serotonin decreases, dopamine increases, and norepinephrine increases. Just three things you remember: dopamine increases, serotonin decreases, and epinephrine, norepinephrine increases. So you need to take medications which act on these three neurotransmitters. फर्स्ट इज डोपामिन जो बढ़ा हुआ है वो डोपामिन को कम करना है, तो आपका साइकोमोटर एजिटेशन, योर साइकोमोटर एजिटेशन विल डिक्रीज and your thought process will decrease, so you will have a natural sleep. You don't need to take sleep medications always. You need to suppress your thought process, and that thought process is suppressed by anti-dopaminergic medications. Second is the serotonin banane wali, so SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. They increase the serotonin by blocking the reuptake from the presynaptic neuron. In the presynaptic neuron there are reuptake receptors on the membrane of the presynapse. So serotonin बढ़ाना है and norepinephrine को कम करना है, because norepinephrine increases the adrenergic state and you become anxious. So rest and recharge. तो कुछ मेडिकेशंस ऐसी है कि जो आपको तुरंत मदद करेगी, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस बंद कर देगी, एंड यू विल स्टॉप थिंकिंग. सी पीपल जनरली टेल दैट यार सोचना बंद करना. अरे यार हमारा दिमाग ऑटोमेटिक है. हाउ कैन यू स्टॉप थिंकिंग? इट इज सिमिलर टू टेलिंग द पेशेंट दैट यू पेट में दर्द है तो तेरा पेट दुखना बंद कर. हाउ कैन यू टेल अ पेशेंट कि सोचना बंद कर? सी यू कैन नॉट. सी एवरीबडी डजंट हैव द capacity to control the mind. Even I don't have. Okay, अगर आप समझो कि पार्थ मैंने आपको आज इतनी बार देखा है, तो I have seen you many times, but suppose if you are on the road, I will not make you sit in my car because that half an hour belongs to me. मैं जिसको भी गाली देना चाहूंगा ना, वो गाड़ी के अंदर गाली दूंगा, because at home I cannot even speak unlawful words. So that quality time which I spend in my car hearing to the music, abusing XYZ, is my time. So relax, rest. So how to change the thoughts is another question, and I will request ma'am that there should be a special session on how to implement CBT or DBT in such kind of patients. This is another 1-2 hour lecture which I cannot cover now. So just I will a simple 3 words I will tell you. First is TEA, thought, emotion and action. आपको चाय पीनी है, you have to drink tea when you are under stress. तो आपको क्या करना है? अगर आपको थॉट चेंज करना है तो आपको इमोशन आपका चेंज करना होगा, एंड आपका इमोशन चेंज करना है तो आपको एक्शन चेंज करना होगा. तो आपको उल्टा सोचना है कि व्हेनेवर यू नीड टू चेंज द थॉट, यू नीड टू चेंज द एक्शन. चिली खानी है तो पूरे सोच चली जाएगी. इमोशन, हाँ बहुत तीखा लग रहा है, एंड योर थॉट विल चेंज. So this is a very simplistic way of telling. It is not as easy as what I have as drinking tea. Second is exposure and response prevention, what madam had told, E and RP. Suppose कुत्ते से डर लग रहा है, if you are fearful of a dog, and if you have ASD or post traumatic stress disorder after being bitten by a dog, so there is exposure and response prevention. दूर से कुत्ता दिखाना है, देखो कितना दूर कुत्ता है, कुछ कर रहा है, that dog is it, तो आपको लगेगा कि you will have action. क्या कर रहे हो कि भाई नहीं नहीं, he is not biting. थोड़ा पास में लाओ तो expose, and then you prevent a response which is a negative response. डरना कि भाई नहीं, मुझे डरना नहीं है, कुत्ता मेरे पास में आ गया फिर भी काटता नहीं है. तो every time the dog comes, the dog will not bite. So that is the thing. So every time a negative stimulus comes, every time that negative stimulus will not harm me. So that is known as exposure and response prevention. And third is radical acceptance or flooding. समझो कि अभी कल yesterday I had मुझे वेबिनार करना था, तो आई वेंट टू बार्बर, थोड़ा बाल अच्छा दिखे, मैं अच्छा दिखूं इसलिए। तो बोलता है कि सर हकीकत में आर देयर कोविड पेशेंट्स। उसने मेरा क्वेश्चन ये 5 महीने बाद ये क्वेश्चन पूछा, एंड ही इज माई रेगुलर बार्बर। तो मैंने बोला एक काम कर, यू कम टुमारो विथ मी इन अ कोविड वार्ड, आई विल you only decide कि are there covid patients or it is just a conspiracy to extort money from world bank by our country। तो नहीं नहीं साहब ये क्या बोलते हो, मैं नहीं आऊंगा। नहीं नहीं, इफ यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कोविड यू नीड टू कम। मैंने तो उसको इतना घबराया। तो फिर yesterday it is a horrendous experience, it is a very horrorful experience to go in a covid ward. Madam might have gone many times, I am going many times in a covid ward. See, people are lying alone, they are being cared by some unknown people। आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यू हैव कम इन स्पेस जब पीपी सूट पहना है। इवन आईसीयू सेटिंग्स, नॉर्मल आईसीयू सेटिंग्स जहां पे कोविड नहीं है, वहां पे भी टू 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 जो बजर्स बजते रहते हैं। दैट इज अ हॉरेंडस सिचुएशन, दैट इज अ हॉरिबल सिचुएशन। एंड इफ यू थिंक दैट you don't know anybody, you cannot see the faces of people, your caretakers, everybody looks same। Okay, so the condition arises that you are being kidnapped and you develop a delusion that कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि आई एम बीइंग हैरेस्ड। सो दैट इज नोन एज एक्सपोजर। मैंने बोला कि उसको फ्लडिंग करना है स्ट्रेस का, तो बार्बर को मैंने बोला कि तू चल, तेरे को मैं इतना डर करवाता हूँ ना, तू कोविड मान जाएगा कि हकीकत में कोविड है। अरे यार, कापसे साहब जैसे डॉक्टर एक्सपायर हो गए, देयर आर मेनी डॉक्टर्स हु आर डाइंग, दे आर नॉट डाइंग टू जस्ट एंजॉय। ओके, सो eat well, exercise, other stress, and wash your hands, that is telling। तो हमारे ओसीडी वाले हैं, ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर, जो हमेशा पहले हाथ ज्यादा धोते थे, दे हैव गॉट अ पॉजिटिव इन्फोर्समेंट। उनको लगने लगा कि व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज गुड। तो अभी आके पूछते हैं कि सर नाउ व्हाट विल यू टेल। इनिशियली यू आर टेलिंग नॉट टू वॉश हैंड्स, नाउ यू आर टेलिंग टू वॉश हैंड्स। तो अभी क्या करने का, तो हम बोलते हैं कि बैलेंस में करो, ज्यादा मत करो। ओके, सो नाइन वेज टू मैनेज स्ट्रेस। स्पेंड टाइम इन नेचर। नेचर है ही नहीं सिटी में तो। ओके, सो यू हैव टू गो आउटवर्ड्स, जो जा नहीं सकते। से योर प्रेयर्स, but I will again highlight you this, that when you say your prayers, don't close your eyes. If you will say prayers by closing your eyes, you will again internalize and you will go into the stress. Practice yogasana, spend time with friends, virtual calls, virtual calls karo। You cannot meet many people, so you have to do virtual talks। Do your exercises, maintain time, practice art, read books, think positive। Now this is, I don't accept this thing, but it was that in the stress, think positive by changing your behavior। I will change that thing। थिंक पॉजिटिव, अच्छा मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा ही होने वाला है, मैं अभी तक जिंदा हूँ, मार्च से शुरू हुआ है फिर भी मुझे कोरोना ही नहीं हुआ, दैट इज अ बून। So that is the height of positivity। Now this is a new concept which has come in recent times, safe person। This is an extremely safe person concept। Now who is a safe person? Anybody who catches your hand and hears you। So anybody, suppose if I am under stress, I may feel that Komal being known to me, I may tell her many things because she was my student, and and I may tell her because I trust her। So those persons whom you trust are safe persons for you। So everyone should have a safe person in the form of a social worker, in the form of a friend, in the form of a doctor or a psychiatrist। See, Carl Jung has told that medicines cure diseases, but only doctors can cure patients। So doctor, your psychotherapist, your psychiatrist, your physician, your family doctor, anybody can be a safe person, and even the security person. बाहर बैठने वाला आदमी होता है, कई बार मैं भी है ना लारी पे चाय पीने जाता हूँ. Why? Because I feel that I am away from my routine work, and I many times cathar ventilate with those people, because I feel that they are not known to me. They will never vent out my personal things to anybody. So those people who don't, whom you trust, and and you trust them because they are not going to tell anybody, those are safety person. Now, just to uh, hakar means affirmation. I will just I have tried to write something. Pardon me if you don't like it. I'm just going to bombard it with you. See, this is, see, hakar ma mano that whenever you are positive, believe it. Nakar ne nakaro, whenever you are negative, try to avoid it. Hakar no સ્વીકાર, accept what is positive. નકાર સામે ચિત્કાર, ચિત્કાર એટલે you તમે ગુસ્સો કરો એની સામે. You avoid drastically whenever you are negative. હકારમાં હસો, so when you are affirmative or everything happy is going on, you laugh. અને નકારમાં હસાવો, when you are negative, when the situation is negative, try to be humorous. Last is હકારને આમંત્રો, that whenever you are negative, try to do positive things. You invite positive things like eating chocolates and eating chilies. And nakarne vevdavo, this word I have vevdavo, I have taken from Kathiawadi speech. What Kathiawadi people think that અમે વહી ગયા. અરે મેં કીધું તું વહી ગયા તો તને વાગ્યું નહીં? રસ્તામાં વહી જવાનું, that flowing, બરાબર? So નકારને વેવડાવો. So whenever you are negative, you make them flow, make them go away, leave them, accept, don't accept and internalize that negative. And another hathoda from my side, suppose what I manna koida, all these things are manna koida. એક શરીરનું કોયડું છે, શરીરનું આપણું એક બેલેન્સ છે, અને બીજું છે મનનું કોયડું. So this is a very મનના કોયડા મન ઉકેલે, ડરવાથી ન ડરે, ટેવાવાની હિંમત કરે, આમ થવાથી ન ડરે, વિકરાળ કાળથી લડવાની હિંમત કરે, કંઈક જોઈતું હોય તો ન ડરે, શું કરું કે માનવી હિંમત કરે, શું કરું કે માનવી ન ડરે. થોડી should I explain this thing to non-Gujarati people? There may be non-Gujarati people, no?
Yes, there are many non-Gujarati.
Okay, so manna koida means whatever thought process you are, whatever thought processes you are having, you have to encrypt those. You have to decode those thought processes, and we have never to be afraid of being afraid, because what we are suffering is suffered by all the people, not by alone. ટેવાવાની હિંમત કરે, get accustomed to get adapted. આમ થવાથી ન ડરે, આમ થવાથી એટલે we are all આમ people, આમ જનતા. There are two દીવાને આમ and દીવાને ખાસ, અકબર के जमाने में. So we are not people with भगवान को भी गाली देते हैं, बराबर है? ये सारे भगवान ने मेरे को ये नहीं दिया, वो नहीं दिया. तो who are we? We are armed people, common people who may suffer from the onslaughts. વિકરાળ કાળથી લડવાની હિંમત કરે. વિકરાળ કાળ એટલે the present situation is a horrible situation, is a very terrifying situation. અને you કાળથી હિંમત કરે લડવાની, they try to fight this horrendous situation, horrific situation. કંઈ જોઈતું હોય તો ન ડરે. If they need something, they go for help, they go for a safe person. શું કરું કે માનવી હિંમત કરે? I am asking that what should I do કે people become more strength, they become more strong. And શું કરું કે માનવી ન ડરે? What should I do that the person doesn't fear the situation? So in this thing, what is the thing that what we have to understand, that what we can do to go for the situation? And there may be many questions, because there are many things I can tell more, but the time is and there are many other things which I needed to tell. But and last thing, thank you for listening. Be happy, dance, movement. Okay, Rajasthani nritya karo, barabar hai? Okay, so thank you for listening. Escape, stop share. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Very simply, sir have explained all the therapies. Everybody understood.